Kayo kay nakatambong mo karon. So, Xyler, happy birthday. Ay makita din mo pag dako na ka.
Alam kayo mo voice.
I love you. Pag dako nimo tahod lang gihapon sa mo as mama ug papa nimo. And kay Ate Yana.
Hello, maayong hapon. So, pasalamatan ako una ang mga suppliers nato, syempre. Ang venue nato, this is Picnics Davao. Daghang kayong salamat sa Mendoza family, especially to Gea for opening their doors to us today. Picnics Davao is such a wholesome outdoor venue for events. Thank you po sa ato ang caterer, Mommy Ann's Foodtrays and Native Lechon. Sa ato ang Lechon, Agas Lechon Davao. Sa ato ang host nga energetic kaayo si Sir TJ. Thank you kaayo, sir. And sa ato ang magician, Phoenix the Magician. Salamat, sir. Sa ato ang photobooth, basig wala pa mo nakapa-photobooth dito. Thank you so much, print.pics. And of course, magpasalamat po mi sa amo ang pre-birthday shoot na team. Ang Little Beauty Photography, katong gi-post ako yesterday. So, actually, it's one of my dream brands next to KatSu Creatives for children's photography gyud. And then of course, ang ato ang photo and video coverage today, the one and only, diba? KatSu Creatives. When it comes to photos and video, nothing could really compare to the professional people behind KatSu Creatives. My fellow Davao mommy blogger and kumare, Catherine Su, together with her husband, si Ads. And, kani Jud, murag dili Jud ni dapat na, dili pa salamatan. Ang ato ang decor, food carts, go-karts, inflatable, entrance cart, moral support, tanan-tanan na Jud. Pop Karts Davao by Mama Gree! And of course, sa mga naa dinhi karon to our family and friends, and katong sa mga wala dinhi, to mga nag-greet online, everyone good, dear to our heart, thank you so much for your love para kay Xyler and to our family. Xyler won't remember this very special moment, but thank God, again, Catherine and her husband, si Ads, na din ito document every beautiful smile nga inyong nahatag sa amua today. Thank you so much. To Ate Yana and to Daddy B-Boy, I love you both. Thank you so much for the love and patience. Bahalag maldita kaayo ko. And to Xylerboi nga natulog, Xyler, 3 words for you, you complete us. Yan. So thank you so much. We love you, Xyler. Happy birthday!